Hi, my name is Antonia. I'm from Germany. I did a semester abroad at TIS Mumbai, and yeah, I just came across that festival through the other TIS students, and yeah, like especially this museum is a really interesting building, like very aesthetically pleasing, and I didn't expect anything like that to see here. So, and also I am in the museum. I think it's very good to see the cultural work and maybe the background of the culture and also some of the history. So when I now enter the festival, I think I have a better background knowledge. So yeah.
Do you know what it is?
Can you tell me?
Yeah, what is the name?
Uh-huh.
Do you know the name?
No.
No thenki.
Uh-huh.
No thenki, actually it is an ornament.
Okay. It's the earring, right? I saw it. Yeah, the silver big earring, right?
So this museum is designed on the basis of that no thenki. P means ladies.
P means ladies.
Yeah, no thenki that they are wearing this one. Here suppose ladies for ladies title PP is the P is used.
Yeah.
That's for the ladies.
Yeah.
So this is your first visit to Karbi festival or before you came here?
It's my first visit, and I came very spontaneously, and I'm really happy to see now more of it. Also.
Are you staying here throughout the festival?
I think I will go back to Guwahati, but for this day I'm here.
You will be coming back because today is the first day, it is the reception day only, and from tomorrow only the main day, different types of competition, culture, dance, traditional. Games and other thing will be there. The competition between the 33 that KCS zone, Karbi cultural zone. So you will be enjoying.